my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, if you've seen my last video, I reviewed the Mermaid Tail stamping plate by Cads. I did have a little bit of problems with it. I will link it up here if you want to go check it out. But I thought for today I'd actually do another review before I start jumping back into some tutorials. So today is also a plate review. This is Zjoy 022 stamping plate. I love their cases, they're really cute. This is so autumnal, isn't it? But yeah, so this one is kind of a floral again. I don't know why I keep buying all these mad floral plates because I actually never use them, but I will promise I'm going to start using them in tutorial. But I know I actually bought this plate for two images that I absolutely love. This owl here and this lady in the frame, and I didn't even notice this bird with the stopwatch, but I just think that like is real, like through the, what's the, not Wizard of Oz, what's that other one, Alice in Wonderlandy kind of, yeah. But as with all plates, they have theirs backed. I love their backing. I think they're so super cute. So it is backed, it's covered with the blue film, so we need to remove that blue film, clean it off with some pure acetone, and we will just pick maybe 3 or 4 images off the plate just to see how it's stamped. I'm not going to stamp on my nails, I'm going to just use some nail pops. And speaking of which, yes, I know I do not have one nail on, but if you can see, I actually damaged it. I caught my hand in the car door. I'm all bruised here and all, so I thought, yeah, maybe I should just not have an extension on that finger for a little while. So I just let you have a look at those images. So there we go. These are the 5 images that I decided to choose from the plate. I didn't swatch many because I knew that this plate was going to pick up okay, and that's what today's video was about, just to show off that little plate. Now the images are a little bit big for this size of nail, like the lady, the bird, the 2 birds. Like I'd shrink them down if I was doing them obviously on a smaller nail. Of course they would fit my own nail much easier. As you can see, my own nail has a good bit more length to that. But yeah, so I really like this plate. The images are really nice, they're crystal clear, pick up fine. So this one definitely gets a thumbs up from me, and if this video gets a thumbs up from you, why don't you do that for me? It would really help me out a lot and I would really appreciate it. And if you want to subscribe, you can hit that circle over here, and of course if you cannot wait until my next video, you can hit one up here for you. I do post videos every Tuesday and Friday, and they are always in HD. So until the next one, stay safe. We will see you soon. Bye.